So sometimes if you want to publish your report, Power BI report in public websites which requires no authentication, then you have to open the report in Power BI and go to create an embedded report code. Click on publish to web, which will create a link. Now you can copy this iframe and use it in your external websites. Let me just show you an external website. Let's say double three schools, try it. And here I want to display my report. For the report, I can put my code here and run it. So which will render without any authentication, which will run publicly. Okay. So this is the way. So you have to create the embedded code, then it will enable displaying without authentication uh, for the Power BI reports. Thanks everyone.